Okay, just to help you, my dear teachers, so that correction becomes easier for you. Today I am taking test of class 8, small class test, so that they know what is Google Form. So here I go to Google Forms. When you go to Google Forms, here second option, Google Forms free online survey for use. We click here. Wait, it will get something like this. Here we personal, go to Google Forms. We click here. Once you click here, few seconds, this opens up. This is for question. Here I can change the name. Suppose I am writing test of class 8. Okay, now untitled form. Here just I write their suppose they have to give personal information, so I write here info. Okay, here I write name. Suppose they will write their names. It is required. Okay, then I add one question. I write here section. They have to write their section. Write like this section. I can add options here, multiple choice question. I can write here A. Another option, see, add all. If I do, all will be automatically coming. No need to type also. So if you want, you can make it compulsory. If I want, I can make it required. Without writing this, children cannot proceed. Okay, in question paper, we have usually different types of questions. For that, we have here double equal to sign, that is section. So answer following, suppose I give answer following. So this is the question I have given. Okay, quickly I will show you because I have to give them test. Suppose I write some here binary operator axon. I have to put dash, so just I'm typing it, dash operands. Okay, so here different type of question you can choose, but since we are taking test multiple choice, so multiple choice. I write here 2, add another option. I suppose I accepted the suggestion. Okay, if you want, you can make it compulsory. If you don't want, then leave it. Go to next. Again, new question. Here I will write suppose easy questions, so that everywhere. How do you feel? Suppose, how do you feel? So here a question, multiple choice. I give the choice good or bad. Good. And here add option. I write here bad. So this was about writing questions. This is how we can write questions. Now putting the point values. How can we give points? Okay, so here section wise you can do, or here we go in the 3 dots here, then settings. Okay, remember here if you tick on collect email address, it will collect email address, but it becomes difficult when we use it with children and if it collects email address. So we will not put tick here. Then limit to 1 response. We cannot limit to 1 response because sometimes there are 2-3 children in one class of the same house, so it becomes difficult for them to log in with, because same phone, it can, one link will work with only one phone one time when we click on limit 1 response. Edit after submit, definitely we don't want to edit, nobody should edit it before after submitting, so we will not click here. Then we come to presentation. If you want, you can shuffle the question order. If you want, you can show the link to submit another response. So just I am removing here. If you want, you can give another confirmation. Here I can write test complete. If you will leave, then it will show the old message only that was already typed. Test complete. Then we can go to quizzes. Here is the main thing, means adding points. Make this a quiz. Now, you want to manually show the things, or you want children to get the marks as soon as they submit. So this is test. So we will do later manually. Okay. If you want the children should see how many questions correct, how many mistakes they have done, then you tick on correct answers or you tick on mix. If you don't want, or they should see how many answers are correct or how many are wrong, so you can simply remove. Okay. Here I have ticked on everything so that if you want something you can remove. If point values means they can see how much marks is there. Okay. How many questions they have done correct, how many questions they have done wrong, they have not written. Okay. So this it shows. If you click here, they will not be able to see the wrong answers. If you move here, they will not be able to see what answers they have written correct. So just I am showing this for so that everybody understands. Then we click on save. Okay. Once we have saved, see it is collecting email address. That means here it is tick. So just remove the tick and save. Now it won't ask for an email address. It will ask for a, sometimes it also asks for a submission ID, but here, oh here. Now after making the form, we go to preview. Okay. It shows write your answer. I write suppose my name here. Okay. Then I choose a section. Next. Then I go to here. Good, bad, and submit. Test completed. Okay. Now setting of marks. This is about completion of test. So I will just cross it. Google Forms. Again I am going back to show how to put marks. Go to Google Forms here. I'll click on this form button. My email ID. I am going back. This was all about preparing question. Now I am showing you how I can we can put marks. Okay. Test of class 8. So I just click it here. Open a new window. Okay. Now putting marks. So we go to settings. Settings. Here quizzes. See here we have already done this. So we have saved it. Come back. You click on the question. Suppose I click here. Now here you see answer, feedback and points. We click on this tick button. Okay. Here we can put points. Add correct answer. If you want to add correct, mark all other answers incorrect. Means other than that, if anybody writes anything, it will be incorrect. I write here unshow. Okay. If you want, you can give more than one correct answers. Okay. Then done. That is saved. Here I write here suppose the correct answer. Here I give 1 point and I choose a correct answer. Suppose correct answer is, my section is A, I am choosing A. Done. This is the correct answer here. Now I go to the third answer here. Binary numbers axon. Suppose I am doing correct answer here, multiple choice. Here again this box with tick I will click. When I click on this box, I will get a point system here. I give 1 marks. Answer, feedback, suppose I click on 2. Done. Then again I go here in this question. Here I again go in this tick mark, answer, feedback. Click on good and then done. Okay. Before giving to anyone, sharing the link, we go here, we preview our work. Means what are the things. Sometimes in Google Form automatically the things are modified. So suppose A I have given here. Here I write my name. Okay, next means section was changed. So next, here I click on good. Here I click on 2 and then I submit it. Okay, test complete. I have clicked on manually, so my test is complete now. Okay, so this is how we do. Now we can go back. Let's go back. I am showing you how to share. I will show you how to share. How I can share this. I can click here. Sorry, not here. Beside this, we click over here. Then link. This is URL. I copied the URL. Okay, now I will close all this. I go to my WhatsApp. here. Then I just shared in my own mobile number. So I home here. Okay, so here I paste. Okay, if you wait, you will get a this like name here. I click here. Okay, now I am closing everything now. I will close these two. Okay, I came back. I go to my here. I go to home, and then I clicked here. You see, I will be redirected to my page. Here, you see, I write. See, I can fill section. See, next. This is what the children will see. Two children will see, sorry. Good. Then submit. See, test completed. Now, if I have to see the marks, that how much marks children have stored, how will I come to know? For that, again log in. Sorry, back. Log in, go here, Google Forms. It's simply very easy. Go here, means we don't need to correct, just we go in Google Forms and marks is automatically generated. Google Form has already corrected the submission. We go to personal forms. Okay, click here. Only the time you require to open. Once you open, you will be able to do. Okay, we click on this blue button here, folder. Here I have two logins, so it is showing the login again and again. In one phone, it will not show. Once you have only single login, single Gmail account on your phone, then it will not show. I go here, sort by last modified, the last thing that I have opened. See, test here it's showing up. I open this, click on this, open in new window. You open like this. Okay, once you open, we go to response. See, 3 responses, 3 things I have entered. Okay, now I go to this green color, create a new spreadsheet, create. Just a moment. See, you will get marks also, everything here. There's no need to correction. Just hold on. Wait for 2 seconds. See, showing date, time, and how much marks. See, I have scored also, and these are the answers that I have entered. So this is how it's very easy, and you can download this or it will be saved in your Google Drive. Okay, so it will be easier for us for correction at least.